This is the tool, the only tool we need to build a PC, a Phillips screwdriver. Before we start, make sure you have all the computer parts you need to build a working PC. You do not have to buy the same parts we are going to use, but it is a good idea to stay with our recommendations if you are new to computers. If you do decide to use different parts, the same basic procedure can be used to put any components together. Before you start, you should use our checklist to help you get ready. Go to the CD menu and click on the checklist icon. Is your checklist completed? Okay, then let's begin with our PC building instructions.